off-roading here north of St. George. Haven't done any off-roading in months. It's been a brutal winter up in northern Utah this year. So I just thought I'd post a video. Gonna go see my mom for the weekend down here in St. George, so can't remember off the top of my head the name of this road, but it's just off of the Leeds exit on I-15. Just a few miles south of, or north of St. George. Turn you back on in a second. Pine Valley Mountain, straight ahead. Even St. George got a lot of snow this winter. Luckily, it's coming to an end. Just crazy, crazy winter here. Not just Utah, but the whole western U.S. And I grew up in northern Utah. I don't remember seeing it this much snow. I was born in '99. I'm sure there were bad winters before that, but in my lifetime, I don't remember seeing it like that. Feels good to be off-roading again. I won't be able to go in the West Desert till May. It's my estimate, just because of how wet it is. There's like half a foot of snow on the ground out there right now, out by Vernon, Utah, Simpson Springs. Probably not going to go too far up this road, but something I've wanted to check out for a while. Luckily this road's not too bad. There's not a riverbed going down the middle of it like most roads out here. Well, I already hit snow. I didn't come too far up this road. So, probably gonna call it. I don't really want to drive through deep mud. I want to be a customer of Matt's Off-Road Recovery, so probably head back down. It's a beautiful view. It's like 65, so it feels great. Alright, well I thought the video would be a little longer. I didn't know the snow level would be that low. But like I was saying, it's been a crazy winter. So, short video, but I just wanted to get back on the YouTube scene. I've got a lot of plans this coming spring and summer. So stay tuned to my channel. I got a lot of videos coming. And I'm flying to Miami next week, so have a couple videos coming from there. Thanks for watching this short video from Leeds, Utah.